Hello, David here from MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. We have a beautiful spring day. Right behind me is a beautiful Harris 230 Breeze. 230 Breeze has this large bow area for entertaining, swimming off. The Breeze has the exact same chassis as all of the other Harris product lines. So the exact same chassis as a Crown or a Sunline or a Solstice. You get the performance and ride of Harris. You can see we have the metallic black above my head with sterling metallic above that for an accent. There's a 10-foot bimini top, a stainless steel boarding ladder. Let's get up on deck and show you the rest of the boat. So we moved up on the bow of this beautiful boat. You can see there's plenty of seating. 23-foot boat has a 13-person capacity. With every Harris, you have the positive closed doors. These doors are patented with 400 pounds of outward pressure, so everybody stays safe inside the playpen. Large area over here on the port side to put your coolers, your bags. As you know, if you've been boating, everybody always brings extra stuff. There's plenty of room for that. There's storage underneath all the seats. Over here on the helm, we have our analog gauges, GPS speedometer, our hour gauge, our heading, our wireless phone charger, our switches, and our stereo. This boat is available at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, we'll get on the water.